Uh, they are MSc students from Mumbai University, and the first part of the objective is to help the student who want to get the role. There is a position open, and the way to get is, so what we do is, we do a research on a case study or a research on machine learning and related to sustainability. So you have to do a research on that, so you get a, around 1,000 words information about it, and then based on that you create a poll, a question poll. So what you have to do is you have to do that task first. First you have to get that, and then what you can do is you can post it on your LinkedIn so that it matches all the criteria, and then you copy the link of that post and tweet me and say this is my interview submission. My Twitter account will be in the description below this video, and that's it. And if that works, what the job will be, it will be you have to create 5 posts a month, and join the team and learn month over month to figure out how you are doing. So that's pretty much the task. The task, I don't think last time when we spoke, we'll do watch the video to learn from the students how much time they take to create. But last time when we spoke, it wasn't much. I think it is somewhere around 5 to 10 hours, if I'm not wrong. But you can stick back and see the video. Once I kind of accept your application, basically if I see if it is the content or the things that you are posting is good enough, then we'll give you a chance. And for those 5 posts you get paid 1,000 rupees. So that's pretty much the stipend. I know the stipend is very low, but the amount of work is also very less. So as compared to that, we feel it's valuable. And the side thing that it has also helped, thanks to Vidhi and Dhruvi. So firstly, thanks to Vidhi, that the concept of letter of recommendation, which I'm happy to create personally. I think because that has nothing to do with the company, so I can put my name and put in a director of 73-bit as a personal letter of recommendation. And there I can actually mention what all things that you kind of did during your the tenure. Like for Vidhi, her in her letter of recommendation, I will mention this, that it was her initiative to ask for this and get it done, and I thought it was valuable. And plus other work that I can remember of while during this period. So that's the one thing you will get. The second thing is, while doing it, there will be at least one interaction a month with me, like this one. So where we also talk about finding jobs or way to finding jobs, or what are the struggle people are having. Like Dhruvi and I had a different conversation on that, which was one off. So I have kind of have a list of Twitter threads and some resource links that I will be collecting, and I think that's pretty interesting. And the third thing is, there are like-minded people like this. So currently there are 4 of us, like 4 intern and me, and there are other people who are interested in the initiative. And yeah, so it will keep on growing. So what will happen is, then you will have a network outside your college, or and it's kind of your professional network, and still it is widespread, and it could be across India as well. So those are the promises that I can give in this internship project. And my personal, this is a personal project because I thought that it will be useful. Definitely, I'm not getting so much enrollment as I was expecting. And one of the reason that Ayush mentioned in yesterday's call, which I found was interesting, is the students are not able to see the value of learning by doing, kind of thing, because they have never done a job. So they don't understand how much this will be useful. Like, yeah, it was very funny, like the networking way, how I helped Dhruvi to connect to people. I explained it to Ayush, and if you are wondering what, you tweet me, I will share the tweet thread and you can go through it. But if what he mentioned was very interesting, if you had started doing from the first year of your BSc IT or MSc IT, by the by the third year, you would have definitely had like 5,000 people in your network. And then at least you can sit from morning to evening one day and you can shoot mail to everyone and ask if they have any opportunity. That was like a free access to such a big talent pool. And if you're wondering in 3 years it's possible or not, I can assure you, you can check the number of followers I have on LinkedIn. It has crossed 10,000. So yeah, it is pretty. I think it is possible in 1 year, let alone in 3 years. But yeah, but you have to be very selective who you add into your network. So for me, it was very specific, so it can be done. So yeah, so what we are trying to do is we are trying to create something, and maybe the first batch of intern might not get so much benefit. I think there will still be some benefit, but the later batch that will come, or maybe 6 months from now, they have they will be definitely benefiting from it. So but that depends if I have attraction, if I have more people. So if the target is 100, but even to justify some of the idea, you need to at least have 10 people. I think that's pretty practical. And I have at least 20 years of experience now. So just having a conversation with me or an access to me also could be a value straightforward, because uh, of the network that I might have or the kind of work that I see. So yeah, so that's a short rant about the job opening. And now getting back to today's agenda with my team here. So let me share my. So this is the article. This video will go in this particular link. So currently it's having the old way. We used to create images and all lot of work. Now the second iteration, it's a design thinking process that we have. So we have refined it. Less work and more output is pretty much the, and this is the stats. I loved, first of all, guys, great work last month. I think some numbers are like they have crossed 500 multiple times. So well done, all of you. Yeah. So any feedback on that from your end? I have some feedback later, but about current cycle. But anything about the previous cycle? You just have to repeat what you mentioned in the report for the audience.
Yes, sir. The when we started the poll thing, the engagement with the audience was good because they were it was like interesting. Like they know or does not know, then also they vote for that. So
Right,
like after starting with the poll section, the engagement was good with the audience.
right, right,
And so certain hashtags also worked very well, like
right,
ML for future and related hashtags worked really good.
right, right. Great.
And so the questions became like an interactive thing over LinkedIn. So
Right,
people got engaged more due to the poll.
right. Absolutely. So all these things went on our benefit. And how much time now it takes for creating one post,
So
Ayush?
hardly half an hour.
So yeah, great. And I think last time Vidhi took the most time. So Vidhi, how much time it is taking for you now?
Yeah, now it's definitely less, 30 to 45 minutes max.
Perfect. So yeah, I think there is a value for money for you guys, at least for your effort. And are you guys learning anything with this format? Like the information is useful for you, particularly from for the ML domain.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we've been going through a lot of case studies and research papers as well.
Oh,
So we are
okay.
gaining a lot of information and new knowledge from this as well.
Right. So the kind of learning that we are kind of doing, I'll just give you a technical term to it. It's called as a T learning. So there is a T-shaped model. So the T-shaped model is, if you have heard about DevOps and stuff like that. So what happens is now companies want people to have a vast knowledge about uh, all the aspects on the surface level, and in one particular segment they want deep knowledge. So what is this case study, or going through like different, like solar panel or electrical vehicle or Google's data centers and stuff like that, which or restaurant surveys and things that you are bringing up. So you are getting across domain, across industry, because currently we don't know which domain you might end up landing, right? But then what happens is this you are kind of learning it. So I found it a double, like it has a double advantage. It kind of, you're genuinely learning quick lot of stuff a little bit, and the responses from our audience are also getting. So it's a win-win for our, like, three score win. The client is also, the prospects are also winning, or the audience. Here there is no prospect. It's pretty much our community. The community is also winning, learning some new concept every day. You are also learning about ML concept every day, and definitely we are learning because the engagement has been all time high comparatively. At least the view in the right location has been there. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
that has been done. So I have a couple of remarks. So last month, I think that was fine. The report writing that you did was also good. The format could have been better, as I mentioned, but I think that's okay. But the content was impressive, and the exploratory analysis you did was better. So that's good. Now it would be interesting in the next month report what new you will do, because now then you have to level up to bit. The new post that we are getting, the numbers have kind of flattened. Okay, so like last time also, in the middle of it we kind of did a pivot and then it worked. So this, my suggestion for now, I had some other ideas, but I will hold that massive idea. But what a suggestion I will do is, maybe we will like in the beginning we kind of did yes and no kind of a thing. We agreed on yes and no. Now I kind of, because you are doing it under 30 minutes, I'll kind of open up a bit and give you a liberty to create your own question and answer session. You don't have to be an yes and no and maybe. So to just to create a little more variety to the audience, so that, so the same thing what you do, but play with the questionnaire. That is one thing. Second, I think some of you are not putting the working hashtags. So if we are working on a hashtag, so stick with the working hashtag for the whole month, maybe, like just for the seeing the numbers, because the end objective is we are looking at number. And the content length, I think you guys have not checking the character length again. I think I'm getting some character lengths which are exceeding. Not all of you, some of you. Just I'm just check it before you send it across. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that would be my recommendation. Any other observation or anything that you find should be incorporated, or should we just watch this month with this minor tweaks and see how it brings up?
So after, I think we should watch this month, because after putting the questions like from content only, then it might engage more.
Right. Yeah. Okay. We will make one tweak, and then we are already make two tweak. When the hashtag we will keep constant,
Yes, sir.
and we will tweak the engagement question. And I'm happy actually. I'm not like these numbers are not so good, but like as compared to last month, it's kind of flattened. Like this is not getting greener. So the whole idea is we should at least reach 500 here, so that this number automatically increase. But this number are like pretty good. Okay, so this last time also, if you remember, this was the target here was 50 and
Yes,
25.
sir.
So which is not there, but still like not so bad. It's still in green. So I'm not discrediting it, but yeah, it, like, we have to kind of, like, 500 is kind of our standard, and 50 and 25 is kind of standard, and so that we can move to like 1000 and 150. Like we can go to the next level now, because we, if we think we have cracked the code. If not, we will figure it out. So there is no problem as long as you are not spending more than 5 hours a month on this and making your earning, I'm happy with it. So whatever, so just restrict within 5 hours, because then it is like right now I think you're doing 2.5 hours. So I think 3 hours also is fine. Like, don't overthink or something much. Do smaller tweaks only, but try to see and study the
Yes,
previous post, and see if you can make some tweak. But keep that cap of whatever, 30 minutes should be that thing. Within 30 minutes you should wrap it up. Okay, so that's that. Okay, but I'll still share you my idea. Okay, just for the curiosity, because I think that would be, if I were you, that would have really interested me. So I've been doing this engagement. I'm not sure if you are watching my content calendar or something, but no, I think you won't see that. But what I'm doing is all the Thursdays I'm taking up. So on the Thursdays, you will not see your poll, because the first Thursday I release my podcast, and the third Thursday of the month I release another podcast. So the second and the fourth, I have found another content is like there are one topic that I would be doing, and then like it is around data visualizations or machine learning case study, and so I've filtered out topic. And while having interaction with the community members, so I need 10 members of community who will engage, so that they will confirm me. And what I found interesting while talking to you was there is a lot of interest in the data visualization, as you have seen in the design thinking scorecard series that we did. So I was wondering how much work has AI done while so AI driven dashboards. Okay, so you have raw data and there is dashboard, and then AI kind of based on whatever signals, be it location or the person's demographics, or I don't know how it might work. But think about it, the case study about how people have used AI for visualization. So that would be, if if these are working, what we will do is, out of the like five, three we will keep the ML case studies. For next month, what we will do, the rest two we will change for looking for case study where AI and AI used for data visualization as a concept, because that I think as a technology also for you guys would be very niche and like a very interesting way of looking at it, because you already know there are big data, there are a lot of data with companies and all, and people are trying to make sense of it, and one of the way to tell your story is visualization. And what I've seen is there is a lot of interest about dashboard and data visualization when I've given them different topics. So those were the things that picked up. So what I was thinking in, how can I connect that need of the market, that's our customer insight, with the artificial intelligence or the machine learning part of it. So not the AI, sorry, the ML with data visualization is the concept. So that was my big idea, so quote unquote, for our thing. So yeah, so if you are curious generally to look around and see what's around that, that's a homework that you can do. So yeah, so any students watching this is how what happens when you work or when you have kind of an interaction with someone where we are actually doing work for the client. These kind of ideas come up where you don't know even to ask such question, where you get these kind of answers, and a new kind of a platform opens up. So I'm just trying to make you understand why this internship and why investing 5 to 10 hours of your month and getting paid for it could be useful for you. So I can understand you might not see and you want to enjoy your college life. Kudos to it. I'm just asking maybe one web series a month from you that you can postpone for the next month, but you can get annual subscription. Not the annual. Now you can get a 6 month subscription, I guess, of Netflix, because it's 150 and you get 1000 paid. So you can get 6 months of subscription by working for 1 month. So you can try it, our internship program. Yeah. So what do you guys think about this big idea? You don't have to do anything. Maybe next month we can plan it out and work on it. Did you heard about it in the past, or have you studied about using machine learning for visualization anywhere? Or
No, sir, not yet.
okay, Dhruvi, Vidhi, have you guys heard?
Sir, I've only heard like coding and visualization. Like there is already code, like pre-written code, and then you can modify the code according to what you want, and then it generates the visualization.
Right, right. So that's you're talking about modeling.
Yeah, so something similar to that.
Okay, okay, yeah. But I'm also not sure if work has been done or not, but it would be interesting to see what people have done, how they have used machine learning for visualization. I'm sure there has been some work, and could be that in this case there won't be related to sustainability. It has to be a non-sustainability work because it seems a bit advanced. But if we can get something on sustainability, that would be icing on the cake kind of a thing. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it from my end. Any other question, off topic or in topic that you have?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.
Sir, I don't have a question, but I have an suggestion. Like,
Right.
instead of polls, we can even ask for the viewers to share their story, like how AI or ML has helped them to achieve sustainability.
Oh, that's a very interesting point.
Sir,
So,
actually, I had even sent you that in one of the content, but I guess you didn't include that.
okay, at the end you have asked a
Yeah,
question. Yeah, I
yeah,
know. Just before the hashtags, I've
yeah.
removed it. Yeah, I think okay, I understood that. I thought I was confused if that was a question and there was already a question. So I thought like I copied one question. So this is kind of an additional thing. That's what I was confused. But if you think at the end of the content, if you want to ask that question, so that change definitely you can add. I like in the future post I will just copy paste exactly and put it across. Okay.
Yeah, so if there are like open-ended question, we can, gain more views from other people as well, like
Right,
what they think.
right, Dhruvi and Vidhi, you are right about it. But if you see, people are like, there has never been in the last 2 months, nobody has commented on my post ever.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So there is no history of it. The max, the thing is the like. So the vote has changed. So if you see the numbers, some of the vote has been significantly more than the like. So if you see here in the screen, so this, for example, this, there are 23 votes, but the like or the likes was only 2 or 3 or 5. So I have never got 23 likes ever. So if I'm not getting likes, how will I get even comments? It's a little more energy that is required. So still we are what we are trying to do is we are trying to test the surface. So currently we are at least able to get their vote. Definitely if once we kind of connect with them properly, then maybe asking. So I'm not asking you to stop that thing. You put it, I will put it. That's not a problem. But my estimation based on the data is that we should not keep high hopes on that, because in the past also people like none of them have actually went and engaged with any of the data. uh, does that make sense?
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
if
definitely.
Sir, if we can change our case study and content to some other topic rather than sustainability, but inside the technical area, then I guess we get the views or content, because majority of the community is nowadays like towards technical background, like either they are software development or which is related to IT, like they are more towards IT. So if we can change the content, I guess there might be some positive
Got it.
response.
So hold on. Okay. Okay. So what we will do is for this month we will continue what we were doing. Okay. The only change is that Dhruvi, the questions that you have open ended, you add to it. The only reason I'm asking, I need a month where we have a consistency 500 reach target. Okay. So next month, instead of my idea, what we will do is why we will take Dhruvi and Vidhi's idea and we'll execute that for the whole month. Okay. So I think I'll give the powers to you guys, and the whole next month we will try your idea. And then what we'll have, we have a base. So all of us know that 500 we can reach with the current strategy, so we'll continue that, do for this whole month and see what the numbers are. Next month complete open, you guys. And even if Vidhi and Dhruvi, you both are not agreeing to it, or if you are agreeing, well and good, and then we can go ahead. But if you have a very different idea, or there is a lot of different ideas, so 1 month we will do Dhruvi's idea, all of the three. Then the next month we will do Vidhi's idea, all of three. So we have like a base idea, then Dhruvi's idea, then Vidhi's idea, and then maybe my idea we can take after that. Because if we got a traction, because end of the day, how we get 1000 2000 views and likes, it doesn't matter. But if you guys strongly think that you have found some insight because you have worked for 2 months, we can try that, and that could actually help you also to gain confidence to see you came up with an idea and you preempted the output of it and you actually achieved it. That is amazing feeling that one could ever have, to foresee the future pretty much. Cool, guys. Thank you so much for coming up and taking the initiative. So that is one of the soft skill I'm always talking about. And whenever you go to the job, even if you face rejection, you should always remember to share your initiatives or share your ideas to your seniors and subordinate, even if, or at least write it down somewhere and then share it when the time is right, or if the environment is open enough to share. That's a very good skill to have during your working environment. Okay, because end of the day, we all of us are here to increase the engagement, and there is no one right way to do that. And so I am more than happy to both chalk it out internally exactly how, if you both can come on one platform, it's okay, and if it is not coming on one platform, it's even better, so that we have experiments for 2 months to run. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your work and for your discipline. I really appreciate like that you all of you give one day before post, and in the morning I can do that. Another change I think I will make. I'll try to post it in the evening because the UK time is in evening, so there will be most. So that is the third change I'll try to do, at least from from my end. The rest you know what you guys will be doing. So we'll do that also. So our base data is more accurate. But I'm happy with whatever you guys are doing. Continue the great job.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
See you next
Thank
month.
you,
Bye bye.
sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Bye.
sir.
Bye bye.